stop asking for advice on Facebook about stuff that is pretty highly technical. I mean, you can ask for simple things like, hey, where's the best place to eat in Milwaukee? But when it comes to plant related technical questions, you probably need to check with an expert. I've got an example for you. A lot of people right now are having this issue with their lawns where they're developing these tan spots and splotches all across their turf grass all around the South right now. And so naturally, they don't know what to do. And so they post their pictures of their lawn to their local gardening groups or these nationwide gardening groups. And then people are just giving them the absolute wrong advice. Because there are a lot of people that think they know what the answer is. And so they're trying to be helpful, but they are leading these homeowners the wrong direction. So they're saying stuff like, oh, you've got a dog that's peeing on those areas and it's killing that grass. Or this is grubs, you need to treat for grubs. Or this is someone that has sprayed insecticide on your grass somehow and it's killed the grass. Okay, so what actually is happening here is this is a fungal infection called Pythium rot or cottony rot. And so what's happening is this fungus is attacking the roots and the blades of the grass, and then slowly it's going to spread and kill that grass in a larger and larger area if you let it progress. And this disease happens whenever it is very hot and humid, and especially warm and humid at night, or if people are watering a lot, especially when they water at night. And it needs to be treated quickly or it's going to kill a lot of your grass quickly. And so what's happening in these groups is people are giving the wrong advice in quantity, and then they are causing the homeowner to go on a wild goose chase trying to either treat for grubs or add more nitrogen or water more. And all three of those things are just going to make this problem worse. If they were to just ask an expert at their local garden center or someone that knows what they're doing when it comes to lawns, they could get them a granular or liquid fungicide that would then stop the spread of that fungus quickly, and that would allow their grass to recover. Additionally, this homeowner is going to need to probably cut back on watering, and especially watering at nighttime. So yeah, those groups can be very helpful at times, but they can also be sources of well-intending people that are very misinformed and could lead you the wrong direction.